But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Anyways, people, welcome back to my channel. Oh, no, see over here, sir. The artist set a story time. Them gone, hey, fan, go sleep, you know. I don't like your carry on. Where are you on right now? Upsetting. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my story time. Wanna know say over here, so I get the wickedest true stories. Not around your son of makeup. I'm gonna ask Jesus. I'm gonna say, not around your son of makeup. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Hey, what is it? Back to. Yeah, not around your son of makeup. Up here, true story. So watch your style now. Zine people, watch your style. Watch your style, yeah. Today's story is gonna be titled When I Was Homeless. Period. So I will heap on and know all heap of things about me, but I all heap of things about me, all heap on and know. Right now I'm finna break it down for you guys. So yes, I was homeless once. Who believe? If you believe, ball out. Nobody will it just ball out. Me not laugh. Anyways, if you believe somebody is homeless at one point in time, put up a 2 on them and say, praise God, he delivered you. You. Alright, guys, so I'm going to get back to the story. Come here, too much nonsense and madness right now. Who did that? Lord, it look like the pina. Anyways, I'm going to that story now. So, when I was homeless, let me tell you how that story go. That story, it revolved around my same ex-boyfriend, the one that took my virginity. He was not the one that made me homeless, but he was the reason for me being homeless. Yeah, girl. Can you know so once girl start take, and so, girl get big, and girl parents mean say, girl have to move out of them house. It's plain and simple. You cannot live in my house as long as you're doing. Yeah, and then, me know, the reason why me did less still is because me did afraid of my father. And when my father did just find out, say, them things they start going, my father did out for blood. My father did out for blood. Let me go into the joke. So me now go some boom and up on my friends, in. Because I tell you how I go. We used to go home with technical, and for the people them know one would set up them know say which part of vendors them normally sell, or I don't know if the vendors them move or not, but like you go up the hill, and up the hill would be like a straight road with a corner turn, so and you can when you take a corner turn, so you basically would not go over in some people yard, cause some people live over there, so when you take the hill and you come up the first turn, go so and so. You have 6 from over there, sir. And you have the school over there, sir. And then go straight down there, sir. I pay people live down there, sir. So my friend did rent a place down there, sir. My friend now never used to go to school. My friend a big girl. She got nursing school and stuff. And I did my cousin girlfriend at the time. But they my ex now and thing. So, me and I did have that band you don't know, say I'm my cousin girl. So, she like when me say, Mama, me not stress and problem. She said, girl, you know which part live. Yeah. Them afraid of me. Idiot. So I'm going to say, boom, now we know my love. And me and my father did catch up, and my father talk about how him going to do me Friday, now going to do me Friday, now going to do me Friday, now going to do me. And then him think say, me that go come home, me, this a girl here, you tell me say you go bust my ass, and then me for come home make you bust my ass, you mad. That not gonna work. You know what I mean though? Me still go sleep with my boyfriend. Yeah, him beat me, or him did want beat me because me. And me still go. Then me do call my friend and say, look here, you see because me and my boyfriend go, my father want beat me, and my father gonna do me this, and my father gonna do me that. And me tell her something that's something. And she said, girl, Yeah, big girl now, like, they're not supposed to start beating for them. So my friend did disgusting to you know, cause she a boost me up, cause she know so she have place to me, come on, so she a boost me. And me did so big and fool them time there. Me a take the boost into you know, my love, cause she a boost me up for the ranks. And see me out with myself, and yeah, girl, and so, yeah, me a take the boost up, my love, cause girl I get, girl feel good. But I ask guys. So I'm gonna say boom, bam, 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 no good as, yeah. And me and my friend now, my friend tell me say, alright then, we can come our place. Who no know say, after this girl boost me up and make me their place run couple of days, me their place. And we did good enough, we did safe and team. Why? Me have to ball out. My friend have a mad baby father, I know. My friend did have a madman baby father, I know. I remember one day I went up at my friend's place and her baby father, I know. She a cook, you know. But it look like she and her baby father did have some feud. And me just hear like, one car drive up and I hear my friend again. But it's like my friend walk because my friend think everything done and coming at the place come. Sit down at the setting and we watch TV. Oh, no, I say, I cook my friend been a cook food. And by the time my friend could have sit down and go back in the kitchen, the pot them gone off on the stove. The pot them gone off on the stove, people. My friend be able to thief the food. The man thief the food and the food never ready. The food just start cook. The man take the pressure cooker and put it in the car and run. The man drive away with the pressure cooker and food good eh. Yes, guess what else him thief? The baby. The man thief my friend pressure cooker off on the stove. And the man thief my friend baby. Yes, real big man thing me I tell you, the man thief the things them. The man gone in yard with the food and the man gone with the baby. We not the house done too big idiot because none of we know what to do now. In where we do, we walk from home now. And we start walk see Spallings we walk because we say we not sleep tonight until we get back the baby and we get back the food. Mama papa lick red. Me only say I wasn't actually homeless because I had some place to go to, but it's kind of a homeless situation because me never did have my own a yard. If you don't understand me, I try to say. I wasn't put out, I wasn't ran out, but I literally I ran away. So probably me put it in the title. I ran away / being homeless / yeah, something like that. So me I telling to say, people, I nearly must dead. I walk so we walk gas Spallings for the baby and the food. Yeah, I can make that sink. Walk so we walk gas Spallings for the baby and for the food. And you know say, when we reach there, we never get the baby and we never get the food. We have to just go back down our yard, go keep our mouth and keep ourselves. Because you know say man strong and them something there. And me love my friend bad. But dear friends, as long as you and your nigga fight, I mean no say it's a nigga where you love gone to earth. And it's a nigga where respect you and them thing there. Me not coming at that the fight there. You could have hit me 3 more times after the fight done. We come and we hold him and we say, oh God, don't lick her. We say, mama come walk with her. You know, we do look 1 and 2 things to try quench the fight. But if you not go war like Batman or Superman or fist and thump down each other, well, I cannot be the ones to come in the middle. When I say once, I cannot be the one to come in the middle and say, oh, no tap. You could have fight for now till next year. Me not coming at it. Because when me coming at it, and me go get a thumping at me, I left black and blue, and then it 2 hours, I go there in a bed, I play Blues Cruise later, and not coming in there. So, people, yeah, when me see that, me hear me in my brain, me can't tell you so, brother. Me can't tell you so. Because me no feel like say when food a cook, man for come take up pot and everything off a stove and thief baby and left me in a mystery and left my friend in a mystery and the 2 we are mad that now go work. At least a boy a make me get put out, this a boy a got to put me up. So me no go sub home. decide say, me did go good on at the boy yard, but uno no know say my uncle Simon, yeah, my uncle dead now. Him dead couple years ago or something like that. I don't really remember how long now my uncle dead, but my uncle that want sick head. So my grandmother now knows that she could come for me, cause I never go with she, cause me never too afraid of my grandmother. But my grandmother said my bad man uncle come for me, you know. Yeah, mama said my bad man uncle come for me. Me hear one hand and blow out that door, you know. Me no look, hear me to my friend. You gonna go look and see if I hear a mad baby father out there, you know, my love. Go look if I hear a mad baby father out there. When my friend stick a stack, you know guess what, me bad man uncle come for me. So my friend brave up, cause my friend I say, my house grill up and my house door up. And if him not see me, him can't see me there and him can't see you there. My uncle out there all along a call. We not answer no phone and we just look through the window so and none of we not go out there. I pour on to see my uncle to no sir. My uncle a calling him. I say, no, my uncle don't know. My uncle decides say, well, if we're not there, I must somewhere we gone because they never know say I did somebody did at first, you know. Somebody I must see my cousin within chat amount self. Go chat see up and woman yard me there. She want to come up there, but through me did he can't come for no space, never did it for the boy. So through that now the boy could come, the boy suspend me. Don't like a carry on, boy I want stabbing him. I want drinking him more, right? So do I niggle you boy, you give me away. You give me away. Yeah. So people go so boom now, you know. And me did it. And my uncle out there, my uncle call and I go on the most. So we are me na answer him. Come and say, oh you? Me na come out there so with you make you come thump me down. Tell me an idiot. That na work. So did I me start ball now? Cause me I say, yo, my uncle a bad man in a man. And my uncle a man to kick off all the grill, you know. Or drive all the car in our house, you know. Cause he mad them the way there, you know. Me I say my uncle will rev the car through the house. Through the door, lick down everything and kill everybody and come give me some liquor and stop me, you know. When him get angry, you know. But him never knows how he in there. So it's like him call my cousin or talk till my cousin start call him woman phone. But true, you know, woman fool when they come out to them man and them love them man. And so my cousin man now, my friend, man, my cousin start calling for her phone. She gonna answer and catch cold shirt. Because I go cold shirt, cold front. Me don't like go. So if she gonna answer now too, she get cold front. And I go tell my cousin, I go tell me say, boy, my boyfriend call me and me don't want me and him to have none, you know, and ray and bray and pay foolishness. So me end up now pull the door and go out there. When me go out there now my uncle him out there chat off in. So me not answer boy cause you know say boy a bad man, me not make boy like me. So when boy did the boy attack, you know what me do? Me not do nothing. I just sit down in the car. I never do nothing. I just go for my clothes and I just sit down in the car like I never do nothing wrong. And when me reach my yard, me just go in my room, go lock my door and go sleep. End the story. Me know some other will go to that comment section, you know. God, I go say, Jesus, this seriously so dry. So a joke is throwing it, don't it? So I'm going, you know, and me did me and for run 1 week and my father never pay me the mind. But the other week now my father him feel like me don't know what flip in a female him ready for one come lick me. You know, after so long after me sit down and behave myself for so long me no trouble the man and the man no trouble me, you know. The man just feel like bad man all of a sudden and want come beat me up and me no do this man no. You know what me do? Me just run away. Yeah man. Me just run away. Me just go so boom and me just take up. Hey, Lord of God, make a go to the job. I'm gonna tell you know why I run away. This is why I run away. The first time I ran away from my daddy was this. My nails. My nails were the reason why I ran away. For personnels that know me personally, they know that my fingernails are like goddesses. I love them to death. Me cannot do without my fingernails, them period. If my fingernails look crappy, I'm gonna be in a bad mood. I'm gonna have a bad day. I'm gonna be in a bad temper. And legit nobody can calm me down because my nails aren't looking cute. Okay? And my fingernail in a one bad mood. And my nails them did do look good and say no. My father now go come to me come talk about how if me supposed to have on fingernails, me at 17 when me are doing a fingernail. Me say firstly, back up. Secondly, hop off my fender daddy. Thirdly, who do you think you are? Fourthly, I am out of here. Fifthly, do you want to be that guy? People, nah laugh, serious. Daddy, I go tell me say, me know this a girl I say. And you me not take off my finger them, him I go pick them out with pliers. Me I say, but it look like that man ya mad. Me say, it look like that man ya lick a screw. It look like that man ya lick a nerve. It look like that man ya, it look like blood a girl under that man ya head. It look like that man ya brain want clean out. It look like that man ya heart dirty. It look like that man ya bad mind. That's all I go through my brain now. Cause I say something wrong with that man, yeah. Nobody can tell me no, oh, something wrong with that brother, yeah. That brother, yeah, stress me out. Yeah. Brother man, I go tell me say if me not take off my legs, I'm gonna pluck them out with screwdriver. No, pliers him did say. Must cut them out with pliers. But I have to say, brother, don't be that guy. I joke, I never tell daddy that. Me and him did argue. I never really in a big argument still because them time me did young and him would kill me if me argue with him. So we did start ball and act like a baby. And we did have a big argument. And then like the other day I go to school, I go down to my ex-boyfriend house and I never go back. I never did go back. But I do have stories of when I was actually homeless and had to be living from bars to bars for a little bit. I will tell you guys that story in another video. So if you guys actually want to hear about when I was like really on the road, then comment in the comment section and say want to hear the story of when you were actually homeless, living from bars to bars, and then I will give you that story. I have lots and lots of fun stories. I've gone through so much in my life, guys. I have so much stories, but in order for you guys to hear them, on a legit have to watch the video them. I really have to watch the video, man. I have to get the views them up. Like when me I look on the views, I want to see big views. Yeah, I want to see big views pan videos. So without further ado, guys, I am very appreciative of all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for helping me to get my page to 10K thus far. I really appreciate it. Also, thank you guys so much for supporting me thus far, watching all my videos, sharing, liking, commenting. For the persons that been doing all this, you are much appreciated in my life. I love you guys so much. Also, I see some of y'all comment and they are so heartwhelming. I love you guys. I'll be doing shout outs in my other videos too, so big up on yourself. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Yeah guys, so tonight I'm gonna be doing 5 shout outs. I'm choosing the persons that do not ask for shout outs, but I see them like commenting under different videos from, like, say they comment on one video 8:30, like 8:40 or 8:50, they're commenting on another video, which is clearly telling me that they're actually watching the videos and are not just going on my channel commenting because they want a shout out. So these persons deserve to be the top 5 persons to get shout out for this video. If you want to get shout out for another video, you have to watch my content, watch all my videos and comment, and I will choose the other 5 persons as I go on. I will be doing shout outs in every single video. So the first person is Judine West. Thank you so much. I've seen you under literally like all my videos thus far. You comment on everything, which clearly means that you've been watching them, and I love you. Mwah. Big up yourself. Shanda Williams. Hi. Nice meeting you. Big up yourself. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Don't go nowhere. Gio and Tab. Yeah. Big up on yourself. I also saw you guys did a reaction video with me the other day. And Gio, please leave me alone. You know, make your woman beat, mister. Leave me alone. Amen. Hallelujah. Kimon Gales. Thank you for watching my channel thus far. Please to continue. Continue. Don't go nowhere. And Lana Gail Raymond. Thanks so much, you guys. You guys are the 5 top persons that been watching my channel for this video. For the next video, try to be top 5. Try to be in the top 5 and get a shout out right yourself. Big up on yourself, guys. Remember, if you ask for a shout out, you most definitely won't get it. I'm just kidding. Bye.